Hey everyone, it's Dan from Next Nomad here. Today I'm heading to the Catras de Chorrea. This is basically waterfall. And I'm just on the path now where you have to walk down. This path is about 3 miles long. However, the view here out in, it's just look at it. You can see what I mean. In order to get to this location, you must go to a bus depot. But once you get to the bus depot out in Bogota, you take a bus all the way to the entrance here. And I will write that information down for you so you know. Then it's 3 miles to the gate, then you walk a bit more to the waterfalls. And I'll show you all that just in the moment, in the map and everything so you know. But now I have to get walking. It gets a fair bit of a walk to go to. Make sure you push the subscribe button and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. I really love this walk. The farm here, the homes, it's just so calm. It reminds me of watching the old movies with old communities without all the luxuries. I would love a life like this. Just in the forest with greenery around you without all the complications of life and the stressful city. GoPro, stop recording. We're just about at the waterfalls now, as you can see. And we're just up on a rock path. So only missing a little bit, and I will pay for the entrance. Then I'm gonna have a much closer look at the waterfall, and maybe I can go swimming. Who knows? During the walk up to Chorrea, there is this waterfall which we're really close to, and all you have to do is walk down a path. Like right here. And you can see this waterfall. Wow. This waterfall isn't quite as high as the other one, but nonetheless, still pretty beautiful. We're finally here. Here's the waterfall from the bottom all the way up. This is one of the highest waterfalls in Colombia, with many steps, just unreal. But well worth the hike. I found a place I was walking. Look at this. It's beautiful. The walls are all green. And the river. It's moments just like this, a place like this, that makes things so beautiful. I have a bit more left and we're at the bottom of the waterfall. GoPro, stop recording. So you only have like 100 meters left before we get to the waterfall. We just have a couple of places to walk through, and we're there. This hike is more or less 5 miles, or it's far. I'm hoping it's worth it. I hear the waterfall and I see the sign saying we're here. And we're definitely here. Wow. How beautiful this is. We have made it. Look at the base of the waterfalls. And all the way up it goes. There's lots and lots of mist. And it's definitely a place you have to visit when you come to Bogota. I tried to pay for my entrance, but it seems that it is a weekday. No one was here to collect anything from me. So I guess I got to do this hike for free, which is a bonus. So yeah, take that as a hint. Come on a weekday when no one's here and you don't have to pay the entrance fee. And there won't be very many people walking, so you can take better photos, take your time. But time to get back now. Back to Bogota, back to my house. Until later, adios amigos. And press subscribe on my channel and push that like button. The waterfall, the chorrea, I highly recommend visiting them. There's one waterfall that's shorter and another waterfall that's higher up. And there's a cave of the monkeys here on this walk. It's definitely a sight to behold. However, this be warned, if you are deciding to walking it, it's probably about 10-11 miles all by foot, or you can pay a driver to drive you part of the way and cut a lot of that off. It's all really up to you, but the sight's well worth it and I highly recommend it.